Welcome to the Bike Culture Hub. Today, we're diving into the 2021 Honda CBR 650R, a motorcycle that strikes the perfect balance between sporty performance and everyday practicality. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking to upgrade to a more powerful machine, this bike has a lot to offer. Design and aesthetics. The CBR 650R takes heavy inspiration from its bigger sibling, the CBR 1000R Fireblade. It features a sharp, aggressive fairing design, twin LED headlights, and an aerodynamic stance that screams speed. Honda has carefully crafted this bike to appeal to both sport bike lovers and riders who appreciate everyday usability. The muscular fuel tank, sleek tail section, and premium finishing make it a head-turner on the streets. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CBR 650R is a 649 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, inline-4 engine that delivers 94 horsepower and 63 Nm of torque. This power plant is smooth, refined, and offers a thrilling riding experience. Whether you're cruising on highways or attacking twisty roads, the linear power delivery ensures a perfect balance between excitement and control. The 6-speed gearbox, assisted by a slipper clutch, makes gear shifts seamless and adds to the overall ride comfort. Chassis and handling. Honda has built this bike around a lightweight steel diamond frame, ensuring an excellent power-to-weight ratio. The show a separate function big piston, SFFBP, front forks offer improved suspension feedback, making it stable and confident in corners. The rear monoshock further enhances ride quality. Whether you're navigating city traffic or carving through mountain roads, the CBR 650R handles like a dream. Braking and safety features. Braking is handled by dual 310mm front discs with radial-mounted calipers and a single 240mm rear disc. The dual-channel ABS ensures precise stopping power, even in emergency situations. The bike also comes equipped with Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, which helps prevent rear-wheel slip, adding an extra layer of safety. Comfort and ergonomics. Unlike aggressive supersport bikes, the CBR 650R offers a slightly relaxed riding position. The clip-on handlebars are positioned for a sporty yet comfortable stance, making long rides more enjoyable. The seat height of 810mm is manageable for most riders, and the overall ergonomics make it a versatile choice for both city commuting and weekend getaways. Technology and features. The 2021 model comes with a fully digital LCD instrument cluster, displaying essential information like speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. The inclusion of an LED lighting system enhances visibility while adding a modern touch. While it lacks fancy electronic rider aids, its simplicity makes it a pure, rider-focused machine. Final thoughts. The Honda CBR 650R is an ideal middleweight sports bike that offers an exciting mix of performance, comfort, and style. It's perfect for riders' look,